In this picture, there is a cat and a dog. They're lying on the bench. In this picture, there is a glass of milk and some cookies on the table. In this picture, there is a man. He's standing on the wing of a plane. In this picture, there's a giant fork. It's standing upright in the middle of the road. In this picture, there's a dog. It has a newspaper in its mouth. In this picture, there's an elephant. It's walking on a tightrope. In this picture, there's a dog. It has a rose in its mouth. In this picture, there's a dog. It's listening to music. In this picture, there's a giant potato. It's sitting on the couch. In this picture, there's a dog and a man. They're both sleeping. In this picture, there's a snowman at the beach. It's getting a suntan. In this picture, there's a snail. It has a house on its back. In this picture, there's a hamster. It's in the man's brain. In this picture, there's a woman. She wants to eat the junk food. In this picture, there's a boy. He's driving in a boxcar. In this picture, there's a man. He's under a giant shoe. In this picture, there's a man. He's very scared. In this picture, there's a boy. He wants to be a superhero. In this picture, there's a man. He's very angry. In this picture, there's a man. He's in the toilet. In this picture, there's a woman. She's eating chocolate. In this picture, there's a man. He's behind bars. In this picture, there's a woman. She has a present in her hand. In this picture, there's a man. He doesn't have his head on today. In this picture, there's a man. He is being attacked by a photocopier. In this picture, there's a man. He has bad breath. In this picture, there's a criminal. He's being chased by the police. In this picture, there's a plumber. He's repairing the sink. In this picture, there's a boy. He's walking his dog. In this picture, there's a dog. It's driving a car. In this picture, there's a man. He's going to slip on the banana skin. In this picture, there's a man. He has a bright idea. In this picture, there's a woman. She's working on her computer. In this picture, there's a woman. She's drinking from a bottle of water. In this picture, there's an old woman. She loves to sing. In this picture, there's a man. He has a lot of work to do. In this picture, there's a boy. He needs to lose weight. He looks shocked. In this picture, there's a girl. She's cleaning the toilet. In this picture, there's a man sitting on a chair. He's reading a book to his grandchildren. In this picture, there's a cat. It's using a computer. In this picture, there's a parrot. It's roller skating. In this picture, there's a dog. It doesn't want to wash the floor. In this picture, there's a pig. It's flying in the sky. In this picture, there's a dog. It's very hungry. He wants to eat the chicken. In this picture, there's a dog. It's playing chess. In this picture, there's a dog. It has very big ears. In this picture, there's a mouse. It's lying on a mouse. In this picture, there's a dog. It's jumping into a swimming pool. In this picture, there's a dog. It's lifting weights. In this picture, there's a dog. It's having a bath. In this picture, there's a dog. It's speaking on the phone. In this picture, there's a dog. It's reading a book. In this picture, there's a dog. It's sick. In this picture, there's a dog. It's sleeping. In this picture, there's a dog. It's surfing. In this picture, there's a car. It's badly parked. There are 7 days in a week. There are 27 letters in the alphabet. There are 12 months in a year. There are 3 fish in the bowl. There are 5 heads on the shelf. In this picture, there are 3 children and 2 adults. In this picture, there are 6 people. In this picture, there are 2 people on a wedding cake. In this picture, there are 2 feet. In this picture, there are 2 puppies. In this picture, there are 5 donuts. In this picture, there are 4 cows.